Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and manage product options. Let's get started. So to do that, just head over to a product that you have. It needs to be a physical product. Now from in there, click on the three dots, click on the edit product, and then from in there, you should be able to see the settings and descriptions that this product has. Now, once it's done loading, we just need to look for a specific thing, which is the product options. So let's just wait for this right here. And then from there, just scrolling down. And then once you have scrolled down, you should be able to see this product options. So click on add options. And then you can put in an option name, like for example, color. It can be specific colors like black, purple, pink, or anything. So just put in the options that you have. And then just make sure that you have put in everything. Now, after that, click on add. And then from in there, just click on save. Now, if you want to manage each product options, what you can do is you need to actually click on the three dots again, click on edit product, and under the variants that we have created earlier, we can actually manage it depending on the quantity or everything right here. So you have here the product options. So click on this edit option right here. We have here some product options. And then in order to manage it, we can manage the pricing for each variance. So let's enable that. And once it has been enabled, you can actually put in a price difference. Like for example, if this one has a variant price, it can be around 450 or it can be around 50 only. Totally depends on what you want. For example, purple can be 0 and pink can be 20. Then you can also input the shipping weight as well as the inventory of how many of this has. For example, we have here 30, this 40, and this 30 as well. Click on apply right there and you should be able to track inventories depending on each variance that you have. So click on save and it will be saved. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add and manage product options on your Wix website. If you have questions, comments, just comment them down below. And if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.